Chicky the Clever Sparrow's Adventure. Welcome to a magical world where even the smallest of creatures can have the biggest adventures. Meet Chicky, a little sparrow with a big heart and a clever mind. Today, she's about to face a sneaky challenge in the forest, but will her cleverness outsmart the sly fox? Stay with us to find out in this exciting story of bravery, wit, and friendship. High up in a beautiful tree, lived a clever little sparrow named Chicky. She loved her cozy nest and enjoyed chirping songs every morning. But little did she know, today would be an adventure. Every day, Chicky flew around the forest, saying hello to the flowers, the buzzing bees, and her bird friends. The forest was her home, and she loved exploring it. One afternoon, while flying back to her nest, Chicky heard a strange rustling sound. What could that be? She wondered, and decided to take a closer look. It was the sneaky fox, Rusty. He had been eyeing Chicky's nest for days, thinking of how to catch her. I'll get that little sparrow today, Rusty thought. Rusty decided to set a trap. He gathered some berries and seeds and placed them on the ground, hoping Chicky would come down from her tree to eat. When Chicky saw the delicious-looking berries, she was tempted. But then she thought, why are these berries just lying here in the open? Something feels off. Chicky was clever and knew Rusty the fox might be up to something. So, she came up with a smart plan of her own. Chicky landed on a rock near the berries and said loudly, "These berries look delicious, but I think I'll wait for Rusty to eat them first. After all, he must have put them here for himself." Hearing this, Rusty thought, if she thinks the berries are for me, I should eat them first. So he dashed out from his hiding place, eager to gobble them up. As soon as Rusty reached the berries, Chicky flew up into the sky, laughing. "I knew it. Rusty can't resist a trick," she chirped. Rusty realized he had been tricked by the clever little sparrow. "I'll never catch Chicky," he muttered, feeling disappointed. Chicky returned to her nest, safe and sound. She chirped happily, proud of how she outsmarted the sneaky fox. Cleverness is always better than speed, she thought, smiling to herself. From that day on, all the animals in the forest knew about Chicky the clever sparrow. She had shown them that thinking smart is always the best way to solve problems. And so, Chicky taught us all a valuable lesson. No matter how small you are, a clever mind can overcome any challenge. As Chicky rests peacefully in her cozy nest, the forest is filled with admiration for their clever little hero. Remember, it's not always about being the fastest or the strongest, it's about thinking smart. Thank you for joining Chicky on her adventure today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories that inspire and entertain.